Hi, I'm Dennis, and I'm very happy with my Bob's E3 CNC router. The only thing that I do not like is that it's very dusty. So I was looking for something like a dust shoe. And I searched on the internet, but all I could find were very complicated designs. One was even more sophisticated than the other, with hinges and magnets and all kinds of things that I didn't like. I wanted something very simple. I wanted something that is easy to install and to remove if necessary, that allows for easy exchange of router bits, and that I can use with my regular vacuum cleaner with a hose diameter of 1¼ inch. So this is the design that I came up with. So I made use of the existing holes of the router frame, no drilling of extra holes necessary. You can easily exchange the router bits without removing anything. You have access to all the areas that you need. And you can slide in the dust shoe, just like that. And then install your vacuum hose. You just press it in and it's all set. So how does it perform? Let's have a look. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching and keep routing.